Google has announced Antigravity, which is the AI agent-based IDE, basically integrated development environment, which will help you develop any application. Now here, the catch is that it is being powered by AI agents, so you don't have to manually write the code. All you need to do is provide the instructions and the agent will do the work for you. In this video, this is the beginner's guide and we are going to go step by step into how you can use this anti-gravity and what you can do with it. And also we are going to build an interactive application with this, so stick till the end of this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and let's just start with it. As you can see on my screen, this is the landing page of anti-gravity. Just simply download it and install it into your system. You can follow the on-screen instructions and you will be able to do that. Now once it is installed, just open it. I'm gonna open it now. This is anti-gravity. So as you can see on my screen, this is the welcome page of anti-gravity and it's like a simple onboarding step. So I'm gonna do that. You can follow along with me. I'm gonna start fresh. I prefer dark mode. Next, I'm gonna make it to default. Then key building is normal, extension 7, install. Then it will ask you to sign in with Google. I'm simply gonna do that. And I will sign in using my Google account here. Then it will open the anti-gravity application. Simply click on it. It will set up the account and let's just wait for it. I don't want to share the data, so I'll just complete next. So the installation is going on, and as you can see on the screen, this is basically the IDE. If you ever used any IDE before, like VS Code or something, you will be able to identify this thing that it is very familiar with VS Code. Now for the application part, I want to build a game. You know, we used to play that snake game when we were child. I want to build that exact same game using this one, but I don't want to write any code here. What I will be doing is I will be just prompting it and it will do it for me. So let's just start with that. Okay, so I just wrote the simple prompt here. Now as you can see here, you can select the conversation mode and you can select the models here. I'm gonna select Gemini 3 Pro, which is the like best model from them. So let's just select that and we can just send it to anti-gravity and let's see how this gonna work. So the agent is executing the code and it's thinking about it. As you can see, like we can see building snake game project start. It starts the project, creating the snake directory. This is like we can see this agent in action. So the thought process is going on in the behind. This is what it thought for a few seconds, and then now they started generating things. Since they are generating, we will be able to see things in action. This is basically agents interacting with each other. Okay, so now it is asking us to create this workspace now. So I'll just create that part here. Okay, so I created the folder here and I'll just allow this. Okay, so now we just created the directory here and I have opened it. Now I will just tell it to create the game for me. It's working. It's building the foundation. Let's see how it creates, charting the course. Like this agent has created this implementation plan, and based on that, it created index.html. He finished the task here. This was the task. He completed the task. Now it is creating HTML structure. If you can see here, they are actually writing code here, and we can like all we have to do is just look at the things that it is building, and we can be just observe here and make sure things are going right. It created the CSS file now, by the way. It created the CSS file. It is working. Current progress is like creating CSS file. Let's see what they are doing in CSS. Okay, it wrote the code here as well, and yep, we can see the task list. It created the HTML structure. It is implementing the CSS. Now it is implementing the game logic in JavaScript. See, all files are being created, my hands are here, I'm not doing anything. This is all being done by the agent. And you can see direct logs on the side, like files edited js, script.js, then creating script.js. Now logic is being implemented for this game. So verification is done. I've finished building the snake game. You can now open index.html in your browser to play it. I've also created a walkthrough to help you verify the feature. I'm accepting all the changes. Now I'm opening it in browser. First, as you can see on my screen, like I opened it and it is asking me to install the extension of this anti-gravity. So I'll just add the extension here. Quickly, let's just finish that part. Extension is added. Now I'll close this one, and I'm using this run and debug, so just simply let me just click on this one. I'm using it, and this is the game it built, by the way. Let me just press, and you see the game is ready now. Score, highest score is also my game over. So one thing I'm noticing here is that the snake's speed is too fast. Like I'm not able to control it that efficiently. So what I would want is, let the snake be slow in the initial phase. As it grows, like as the size of the snake grows, it should increase its speed. Like not in the initial phase, but as and when the score gets higher and higher, it should increase the speed. I want to make this change. I'll tell the agent to do that for me. So I'm just writing it down here. Getting harder. Okay, so I just told it to do this change. Now let's see what agent does for us. Okay, now it is modifying the dynamics and it is reserving the speed control. It's revising it, and we can see this in the change log itself. Like it is processing, with again the implementation plan is ready here. Let me see, where is the implementation plan? This is the implementation plan, and we propose these changes. As you can see, it created these variables like game speed, initial speed, set interval, set timeout. All these variables are being created, and now it is working to make the things right for us. It is still thinking here. You can see all the tasks. Now it is adjust difficulty, which is dynamic speed, and once that is done, it will verify the game, and then we will be finally able to play it. It failed once, so I'm just telling it to, can you finish it, and let's see how that responds, because there was this error that I faced, and it should start from where it left off because of this error. This was an agent execution terminated due to an error, and now it is again thinking on this same problem, solving this from where it left off. Now let's see how this one works out. Okay, so it started working. Now it has created the task, it edited JS, and it will just accept them all, but it is working. Let it just finish the work, and then we can accept all the changes here. Perfect. So it has implemented the thing. Now all we have to do is verify the game, and we can do that. Let's just open the walkthrough here, and we can just simply click on review. Good to go. Perfect. Now I just told it that it is good to go, and now let's see what it does for us. Ideally it should test this application by itself. Like we should be able to play this game from here itself. Okay, the same game is fully built with the dynamic difficulty you requested. This is ready. Now I'll just tell it to run this for me. Okay, so now run this game for me. Yep, I am just telling it to run this on the local host. Let's see what it does, because last time we just manually did the play from here, which is run and debug, but now I want the agent to do that for me. Now agent is running the command. As you can see, this is happening like Python 3 version. It is running the background command, initializing the web server, and let's see if the local host pops up here. Okay, so it is now setting up the port 8000 for the local host. Oh, it should be able to work now. Okay, so it also added this task, run game locally. I started the local server is ready. All we need to do is click on this link and let's see how this one works. Again, we are ready. The speed is slow now. As you can see, the speed is in control. So as I'm beginner, I'm able to match this one. And let's just play this game for some while because I just built this game. I'm enjoying this one. Oh, I just got out. Now the speed increases. You see, the speed of the snake increase as the score increase. So yeah, that was it. That was a quick demo of Google's anti-gravity, and this is the start of it. This is just the very basic project that we are able to build right now, but it can do very cool stuff and we'll be exploring this along the way. So subscribe to this channel and let me know what your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.